Out of body with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
What it do? It's your boy DJ right here. Been doing some work on this custom Lowrider bike frame that I'm working on. Done a little bit more and didn't get no recording done to it. I'm sorry for that, but I get a little impatient sometimes, and Kiko's the only way of recording shit. And I finally got my own SD card. That way when I'm actually doing things and he ain't around, I can record this shit off my phone, and then we can just swap it onto his computer when we do the videos and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I've been doing with this bike. Right now I got some primer on it. Kind of rushed the project. Had a little bit of imperfections in there. Kind of got some smudges in that primer I didn't let dry quick enough. But anyway, I got some more primer. And I'll let you check out this frame real quick and show you what I'm talking about, and then I'll get some clips of actually re-priming it. So here we go. If you look here, I got a little bit of smudge right there. Nothing real bad. I'm gonna go ahead and sand on that a little bit. Come over here. Got a little bit right there. A little bit right there. A lot of little bit right there actually. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. Alright guys, got this sanded down. Little nicks are still in there, but it just smoothing it down. That way when I paint over it again, it ain't got all kinds of lumps and crap in it. When I flip it over to paint the underside, I don't let it dry quick enough, and then it ends up smudging off. And yeah, slapped myself for that one. But anyway, we're gonna redo this and actually get a video. That way you guys can see a little bit of this process. And right now I'm just priming it just to get it a clean look, and I'm actually gonna, some fiberglass resin and fiberglass cloth, we're gonna custom make some kind of a Bondo frame. I mean, your typical Lowrider bike Bondo frame, they always have this right here bondoed out, and then they got this section right here bondoed out. I mean, that's how my bike is right now, but I want to do something a little bit more custom than that. I love my bike, but it's kind of got me into the mood to make something different. Fill that out on the other frame, and then maybe do something within here. I don't know, there's all kinds of ideas me and Kiko got going on, and we're gonna see what's up. But right now I'm just priming it and getting ready, and then we're gonna Bondo it afterwards, and we'll get video clips of that for sure. So let's get this set up to paint. I know you guys are probably thinking like, fucking paint this thing already, but hey man, just let me be, bro. It takes me time sometimes. Got the first coat on there. It's a different primer, so it's a little bit darker than what the other one was, but alright guys, so I actually let this sit for about 20 minutes now. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and give it another coat on the top and then probably let it cure overnight. I don't trust myself to keep moving on, and I think it'd be smarter to let it dry overnight anyway, to then move on to paint the underside of it. And so I'll get a video clip right now of just doing another coat, and then we'll probably end the video after that for the day, and then get back on it tomorrow and paint the underside for you guys. So let's get it. There she goes. Got her a second coat on there, and we'll leave it like that for now and let her sit overnight and get back to this project tomorrow. Like I said, we'll come and get back into it tomorrow. Yo, I'm gonna hit up Kiko, see what he's doing, see where he's at, get together with him and shoot the shit. So till tomorrow, I'll see y'all later.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? Like I did it, can't do it, can't get it. Go run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like bucket, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.